Did you know that 85% of business success is based on soft skills, including professional etiquette, yet only 15% of career failures result from technical incompetence? Organizations with poor etiquette standards face significant business costs, lost contracts, damaged client relationships, and weakened global partnerships. Many companies miss opportunities because team members lack cultural awareness and professional polish. The impact extends beyond immediate interactions to long-term reputation damage and reduced business prospects. For professionals, inadequate etiquette training creates uncomfortable situations and missed opportunities. Many struggle with international business protocols, dining etiquette, and appropriate communication styles. Teams face embarrassing moments in client meetings, cultural misunderstandings, and reduced effectiveness in building business relationships. This comprehensive course transforms professionals into polished business representatives. Through practical scenarios, participants master modern business etiquette, from digital communication protocols to global cultural awareness. Learn confidence-building skills in networking, business dining, professional presence, and cross-cultural interaction. Organizations see immediate results: 45% improvement in client relationship scores, 30% better success in international business dealings, and significantly enhanced professional reputation. Teams develop consistent professional standards that build trust and credibility. Participants gain confidence in any business situation, master the art of appropriate business behavior, and develop cultural intelligence that opens doors globally. These skills translate into stronger business relationships, more successful negotiations, and enhanced career opportunities. Don't let poor etiquette limit your professional success. Transform your business presence with proven protocols and cultural understanding. Enroll now to join professionals who navigate the business world with confidence and sophistication. Your professional success depends on the impressions you create today.